In this video, I will show you how you can customize your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app drawer and from here just open the secure folder. Now after you enter the code of the secure folder, you will enter into this section. Now from here, just tap on the three dots over here, then select customize. And from here you can customize your secure folder. Now you can change the name of your secure folder. For an example, I will name it passwords app. Now after that you can change the icon of the secure folder and also you can change the color of the app icon. For an example, I will select this color, and once you're satisfied with your customization, then tap on apply. Now if you go to your home screen or even open the app drawer, you will notice that we have successfully customized the app icon and the app name of the secure folder, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.